Hello, hello, hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. This is our challenge video. Now, what is the challenge, you may be wondering? It's all about the children cooking up a storm in the kitchen. I've been telling people that they can really cook. Now it's time to prove it. This video was recorded over a month ago, but because of various technical difficulties, for example, not having an oven because the kitchen is unfinished, we've decided not to post it. But the children have waited long enough, viewers have waited long enough. It's time to get into the challenge, so stay tuned.
Already salted is better than salt and vinegar, actually.
Yeah, video us talking about crisps.
The video and you don't even know.
I don't know which crisp I like.
Worcester sauce is definitely the best. Definitely. And then it's prawn cocktail. Then it is Marmite. Then it is cheese and onion.
Cheese and onion. I don't know which one I like.
And then after it's ready salted, then salt and vinegar.
And salt and vinegar just tastes sour.
Amy, how does this look on the camera? And on the phone?
I'm putting it in the video, right?
It's on video? Why do you keep on putting the things, Mummy? Ray and Rich keep on putting this and that thing.
I'm videoing it.
How dare you? Well, Mummy, Ray and Rich keep on putting it in there. This.
So what are we doing now?
We're about to blend the coconut.
What do you have to make sure that you're doing when you're doing it? What are you going to make sure that you're doing when you do the coconut? Tell me anything that you remember that you need to do.
You need to add warm water into the coconut to get the creaminess.
Yeah, good. Yeah.
We have now blended the coconut.
And now you are?
Now we're going to strain the coconut in the strainer.
What are you doing, Ray?
I'm cutting the spring onion in half
Why?
because it's going in the blender.
And what are you doing, Ray?
Sitting.
Why?
I don't have anything to do.
Talk to us. What you doing now? What we doing?
Putting the garlic, spring onion and scotch bonnet pepper into the blender.
Why?
Because we're going to blend it.
So we don't have to waste any of the ingredients.
You can get the full flavor from it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm putting this blended spring onion, garlic and pepper into the pot.
What else are you going to put in now?
Some salt.
And the next step is to?
Boil the coconut milk.
Okay. So Rach, what are we doing here?
I'm cutting the pork into pieces and then after that I'm going to wash it.
Okay, what kind of pork are you doing? She doesn't know. She's cooking pork, but she doesn't know what kind of pork she's doing. It's brown stew pork. You know what to do, but you don't know what it's called. What's that, Rachel? And over here we have Mr. Rayu cutting up the spring onion, small pieces. And over here we have the pot flicking. We're doing rice and peas. That's it, getting ready there. Seasoning in the peas and coconut. And over here we have Ray doing what?
Chopping up the pieces of garlic.
Chopping up the garlic. Okay. Again. It's again. Look at Chef Ray. Look at Chef Ray. Chef Ray? They're cutting up onions at the moment. One is cutting up white onion, and the other one is doing the red onion.
I've already put some salt in and now I'm putting in some black pepper. Now I'm putting in some basil. And now some Worcester sauce. Now mix this all together. You can use a spoon if you want to instead of your hands. You put in about 2.5 tablespoons of sugar into the pot.
Why?
So we can burn it to make brownie. Now we're adding some Scotch bonnet pepper and garlic into the pot.
Ooh, this looks lovely, isn't it? It looks yummy.
Putting in our spring onion and onion.
And what are you doing over here, are you? It looks so tasty. Look at that. These children are 8, 10 and 12. And look at the meal that they're cooking up. Open the rice and peas pot, Ray. In here we have the rice and peas. I can't see up into it. Look at that. Rice and peas. Close it again. And over here we have the brown stew pork. Huh? Look at this. My goodness. So now she's cutting up some sweet pepper. Over here we have some potato as well. And what else we're going to add? The chocho. Seriously impressed with this pork. Brown stew pork. I'm sure my 3 mini chefs are making your mouth water right now, because mine is watering. I told you they're good cooks. I told ya. Didn't listen. Look at that.